Welcome back to MNN, and this is Market Report. First off, Bitcoin stayed bearish at the end of the day, with the day opening at 82,198 and closing at 77,458, with a total loss of 5.76%, reaching a high of 82,378 and low of 76,736 throughout the day. Next, moving on to other cryptocurrencies, Ethereum also stayed bearish at the end of the day, with the day opening at 2,371 and closing at 2,131, with a total loss of 10.12%, reaching a high of 2,374 and low of 2,094 throughout the day. Solana opened the day at 96.48 and closed the day at 85.23, with a total loss of 11.66%, reaching a high of 98.39 and a low of 83.81. XRP also stayed bearish, opening the day at 1.474 and closing at 1.402, with a total loss of 4.88%, reaching a high of 1.55 and a low of 1.373. Moving on to metals. Gold stayed bearish, opening at 4,686 and losing a total of 3.26% to close the day at 4,534, reaching a high of 4,759 and a low of 4,520. Moving on to silver, which opened at 73.85 and gaining 2.31% to close the day at 75.56, reaching a high of 76 and a low of 72, staying bullish. Looking at stocks, the S&P 500 stayed bullish, closing at 7,433 with a gain of 79.36. Dow Jones stayed bullish, closing at 50,009 with a gain of 645.47. Thank you for tuning in to MNN, and this was Market Report.